Never seen anything like this in my life. Oh my God. It's already blown like twice. No, I think he was out. Cause I just came out because I closed, and whenever I came out, it like first was on fire, and I think the guy was out of it though, but I mean...
When I saw it from way back there, I'm from this area. I've lived here all my life, and I'm like, I wonder if that's somebody I know, but I don't recognize.
I cannot believe it. I've never seen anything like this before.
Me either. It's just like, did it just explode onto fire?
Yeah, it just caught on fire like it was the engine bay, and it took
guy
them.
Just jumped out.
Yeah, like he was already out, I think, but it took the fire trucks like 4 minutes to get here, and I mean, it probably could have been stopped, like if,
right,
you know, but it just went up so fast.
Wow.
Unreal.
Well, you got it on video.
I know. It's out now. Wow.